There's been a narrative in crypto for a long time that institutional money is sitting on the sidelines because it can't yet get in for some reason. Part of that narrative has always been that custody is missing. With Coinbase Custody, that narrative is put to bed. If you're an investment manager, we help you meet your regulatory obligations. If you're a crypto investor or crypto company, we take the risk in holding and securing these assets away from you so you don't have to deal with that operational complexity.
Now, who are the clients of Coinbase Custody? So these are asset allocators, endowments, foundations, pension funds, family offices, really the end holders of these digital assets, as well as the active managers that they allocate to, leading hedge funds, VC funds, index funds. Crypto assets is a new space for a lot of these institutions. And there's a key question here, how do they explain to their boards who they've chosen as a custodian? In order to do that, we need to make sure that we're meeting all of the needs that they would expect out of a traditional custodian.
3 things stood out to us as most important: safety and soundness of assets, regulatory clarity, and transparency. We meet those 3 points in a couple different ways. First, maybe most important, we're a New York trust company. This means we're a qualified custodian. We're actually a bank. Operating as a bank is a familiar operating model to both our investors and auditors. Second, our cold storage. We've upgraded our cold storage over the past 6 years so that each client has a segregated address on chain. This allows us and our auditors, as well as our clients, their auditors and administrators, to go to the blockchain to verify their assets are always safe in Coinbase Custody's cold storage. Finally, transparency. We have a really robust operational due diligence program. Our clients and their auditors routinely come on site to diligence us, and we're constantly working to upgrade that capability. Coinbase's mission is to build an open financial system for the world. We're working really hard to usher in the utility phase of crypto, and custody is a key part of that journey. We don't want custody to just be a place to securely store crypto assets. We want to enable our clients to participate in their networks.
If you're going to be a true participant, you have to be able to engage safely in things like staking, engaging in governance protocols, these forward-looking elements of the space. And that takes great expertise to be able to facilitate that both securely and in a dynamic way.
If you're one of those institutions and you're ready to invest in crypto assets, come to custody.coinbase.com to learn more.